Today's review is about the best refrigerators on the market. We have researched each product based on customer review, price, and product features. If you have any personal opinion or any questions, then you can write in the comment section. Product links are embedded in the video description, so you can check them out if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. At number 1, Kenmore 21 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator. It is a high-quality refrigerator that is energy efficient and features LED lighting that is ideal for your kitchen and will help serve your family's refrigeration purposes. This is one fridge that is designed with a family in mind. It features shelves that are adjustable in case you need to place larger products inside of it. It features a freezer on the uppermost part where you can place all those products you want to be frozen. At number 2, Danby DFF 100C1B SLDB refrigerator. It is an apartment-sized refrigerator ideal for you if you reside in an apartment. It has adjustable shelves, including those in the freezer compartment. It is interesting that the refrigerator's electronic controls that are easily programmed. It displays the temperature inside of it and also has an indication display that's blue. The exterior of refrigerators is smoothly finished with a stylish steel finish. It features reversible door that allows you to place wherever you want, no limitations on where you can place it. At number 3, Avanti RA7316 PST 2-door refrigerator. The Avanti name is well known in the refrigerator industry, and in fact, it has been involved in the making of some of the top quality units for the past 30 years. If you take a look at this specific unit, the RA7306 PST is designed for those residing in apartments, as it's made in a vertical kind of manner to minimize the space it takes. The glass shelves that it has can easily be adjusted according to the user's preference. Its crisper drawers make it even better for those seeking to store fresh fruits or veggies. It features top-notch temperature controls, which is a manual thermostat, meaning you can control the temperature with your hands. At number 4, Hisense RT33D6BAE compact refrigerator. Of course you know that Hisense makes some of the leading refrigerators units and sells them all over the world. Their RT33D6BAE is no exception, both as it comes with a double door and also features a top-mounted freezer. The exterior is exquisitely done and is very smooth stainless silver that's so attractive to anyone out there. On the interior are 2 glass shelves. You will find it very easy to clean and also enable you to access food very easily from. There is interior light for you to see items inside of it easily. The doors are reversible for easy placement in your room's space. At number 5, Midea WHD 113FB1 double door refrigerator. This refrigerator features adjustable temperature ranges for the different products you may want to place inside of it. The legs of this unit are also adjustable, and you will also like the fact that the door can be opened either to the right or the left. There is a separate vegetable and fruit drawer that you can take advantage of to store all your fruits and veggies. You will also like the fact that this unit features low energy consumption that will help keep your electric bills affordable.